From the KAMC Storm Team Weather Lab, here's meteorologist Lexi Birmingham.
All right, good evening, everyone. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Very beautiful weather, especially for the Texas Tech game. But now we're beginning to track some thunderstorms beginning to make their way into our region from the north, from Amarillo. So let's get started, and we'll take a look at those storms. Now, again, they're not severe, which is good, but these do have a potential of producing a lot of flooding and cloud-to-ground lightning, and you can pretty much see it right here. So it looks like the area of Dimmitt is pretty much on next on the list for seeing some heavy rainfall. We are also keeping an eye on the storms out towards New Mexico, impacting areas such as Curry and Roosevelt County as well. And of course, remember, the darker colors indicate heavier rainfall. So again, if you do know anyone that's going to be out on the roads at this hour of night, just make sure that they are aware and they are driving safely. Other than that, Denver City Skycam is looking very good. Looking a little bit breezy out there. You can tell by the flags that you see off to the side here, but everything is looking very quiet tonight in Denver City. So rain chances, again, we'll take a look at our rain chances going into tomorrow morning, because they are going to be sticking around at least through 3:30 a.m. tomorrow morning, continuing to push mostly for our western counties. So it looks like maybe Lubbock may not see any kind of rainfall, but areas such as Levelland and Littlefield possibly could, as along with Muleshoe. As the afternoon continues on, things do begin to back off, but we do see maybe a bit of a shower over Lubbock County here by 12 a.m. tomorrow morning. After that, everything pretty much clears out, because we are expecting a high pressure system to move in, clearing out our skies and of course bringing us some warm temperatures that we can possibly see right here. So again, we'll stick with the mid to low 80s for your Monday, but then we begin to gradually climb the temperature ladder. We go to about 87 degrees by Wednesday and your Thursday as well, and then we see a bit of a temperature drop by your Friday at 86 degrees. And of course, with the high pressure system, we have plenty of sunny days ahead for us to enjoy. As far as rainfall totals are concerned, we do see over an inch out in Clovis. Not seeing really anything too high for the western part of our region here, maybe about a quarter of an inch. But again, as Monday rolls around, we may see a few measurable. We do, oh, there we go. We see about 800s down there in Lubbock, as well as Seminole, 2700s out in Hobbs, New Mexico. Now again, keep in mind, the models do change, and of course, when it's the early morning hours, we do have our very own meteorologist, Alex O'Brien. She will be tracking these storms for you, and of course, she will let you know what you can expect. 62 degrees overnight tonight. We'll keep that 10% chance of rain for those northern counties with mostly cloudy skies. As for your 7-day forecast, here we go. 82 degrees for your high tomorrow, and then 84 when we begin to dry out for your Tuesday, and 85 by your Wednesday, and that's when we really begin to see those sunny days. And 87 degrees by your Thursday with that heat returning. 88 degrees by your Friday. Looking at a pretty hot weekend for the Saturday and Sunday. So next weekend, again, we have the Texas Tech game against Houston, correct, Bailey? At what time is it? 11 a.m.? Oh, 3 p.m. That's right.
Bailey's
so again, it might be a very hot day for there. Unfortunately, we have no poll question this week.
I'm devastated.
I unfortunately will be taking a bit of a week off.
Okay,
so
that makes sense.
I'd rather not, keep you guys suspended throughout the next couple weeks. So unfortunately, we'll take a week off, but I'll be back next Monday.
There you go. I'll just keep people on their toes, waiting for the next poll. That's always the fun part about Sundays. I'm sad.
Oh.
But the weather looks good, and yeah, absolutely, It looks good for the Tech game, which is always in football season, people care about only Saturday's forecast. That's all we want to know about, really.
Yeah, as long as the rain stays away.
Yeah, exactly. Thanks, Lexi.
No problem.